73-year-old woman in custody for allegedly taking the life of her husband over a will. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 73-year-old woman was taken into custody following the killing of her 75-year-old husband at their home in Cabbage Valley District, St. Elizabeth on Saturday morning. The dead man has been identified as Arthur Townsend, a farmer of the district. He was allegedly killed following a disagreement over a will. His wife is also a farmer. It is reported that at around 4 a.m., the couple was at home when they reportedly had a dispute over a last will that the husband was reportedly preparing. The wife, the police said, became upset that her husband was not including her in his final will. It is further understood that an argument reportedly developed during which a sharp object was used to stab the man all over his body, killing him on the spot. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The wife was taken into custody by the police. The Balaclava police are investigating. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.